Right, so I'm here with the Late Late Show host and triple threat performer, James Corden. Now, we know he can dance, sing and act, but what I want to know is, can this man cook?
Yes, I can.
And what are you cooking?
We're cooking a chicken Thai noodle broth.
So I've got the exact same ingredients that you've got.
Yes.
This is your dish.
Right.
And it's my job to beat you.
Well, I mean, you are also a Michelin-star chef, so it's not really your job. It's my job to beat you.
Yeah. Are you ready?
I'm ready. I'm pumped.
May the best noodle win.
All right,
Good
let's
luck.
do it.
Who taught you to cook this dish?
Jamie Oliver, best chef in the UK. That's what everybody says. There's no one actually quite like him. No,
he's a great
This
cook.
wasn't a Jamie Oliver. This was my mum.
Right.
Used to cook this at home.
Have a little smell.
Yeah, but see, that's burnt to me. That you can't serve that.
That's caramelisation.
That's burnt. That is a burnt piece of veg. You cannot serve that.
That is
you can't
caramelisation.
serve that.
You cannot do
you
that.
You can't serve that. This is the best mood I've ever seen you in a kitchen, unless you're doing the MasterChef for kids. I thought you were just grumpy all the time.
Who's been your favourite carpool karaoke guest?
I think was probably Bruno Mars.
Right.
Oh.
Have you really?
That is too sharp. Look at that.
You're not blaming the knives. One finger down, 9 to go. Wow. Just close your eyes. Blow on it a little bit. Close your eyes. Wait, just. Come on. Come on.
That's the worst. Who's going to eat that? Is that a joke? That is.
Come on.
No wonder you had to get out of England. You haven't just done it. No, you haven't. No, you haven't just done it. Have you done
Joking!
it? You old dog. For the first time in my life, I felt genuine empathy for you. Look at that. That is beautifully cooked. I'm sorry.
Slightly pink in the middle.
No, it's not. It's gorgeous.
Well, that bit looks a little bit pink there,
You're
no?
full of That is not pink.
Okay,
That is just... That is perfect.
So this gets the stock darker and better.
So hang on.
Yeah.
Take the ladle. Is that hot?
No.
Promise me?
Promise you, that's fine.
Okay. So I take the ladle.
That's it. In, and then just let that through my stock.
That's a lot easier than I thought, actually.
Yeah, let that...
That's a lot easier than I thought. No! Make all the difference, that.
We've finished with some garnish, and it's time to take our bowls to the cooking class across the hall to see which Thai chicken noodle broth they prefer.
We'll see what they got to say.
Let's find out.
All right.
Excuse me, sorry for interrupting. Good evening. How are we? Would you mind being the judge of these two dishes, please?
Yeah? All right.
Good luck.
Okay.
James's great bowl has all the looks of a beautiful dish, but I'm confident my flavours will give me the win.
She didn't try a piece of chicken. No, this is ridiculous. She's got loads of... No. She literally had a mushroom of mine.
No.
Oh, she had a mushroom.
Dig deep.
Oh, I mean, he's got the whole flavour there.
Have you come to a consensus?
4 of us chose one bowl. 1 of us chose the other.
Go on.
We had to go with the black bowl.
Yes.
4 to 1. Thank you. Thank you.
Well played. Which was the one? Who chose mine? Well done. Well played.